Hey guys, so today you're gonna come with me to come and cut my hair. I am so excited. As you can see, I have gone blonde. I did do the color process myself and I absolutely love it, so I'm super excited of how it came out. But all of my ends are dead, which they were before I even colored my hair. Last time I cut my hair was July, so it needed it anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead, do a cut, a refresh, get all of that done, so you get to come do that with me today. So let's go on our way. So before we go get my hair cut, this is where we're going. First leg of the adventure by Starbucks. Okay, you guys, so my stylist just called and the color appointment before me is going a little bit later. So as you know, I got my Starbucks and I am going to walk around in the strip mall that's here where the Ulta is located. That's where I'm getting my hair cut today, so we will see how it goes. Okay you guys, so I have arrived here at Ulta. I am waiting to be seated for my appointment and well, I'm ready to go. So I am doing my hair treatment, going to dry and then chop chop. Here we go. Okay, so here we are doing processing. We'll see. Ta-da! So here is my new hair. What do you think? Do y'all like it? It feels so nice to like have the lightness of this. So yeah, ta-da. Now we will see what Vernon thinks of my new hair. Hi, so here is my new hair, y'all. I am about to walk in to our house and let's see what my family's reaction is.
Hi, Mom.
Hi. What do you think?
Yeah. Dad, look.
Huh? What do you think? Hi. Thanks, Dad. Oh my gosh.